we're making it our mission to highlight the good in Houston. Today, hundreds of barbecue meals were distributed at Northwest Mall on Hempstead. Operation BBQ Relief, which is based in Kansas City, came here to cook meals 24 hours a day to support our city residents. There's another food giveaway at Northwest Mall. It begins at 11:30 tomorrow morning. On behalf of Houston, we thank everybody involved for being here and putting in this work.
The City of Houston is helping distribute hot meals this week at Northwest Mall. The effort is called Operation BBQ Relief. Today was the first day for this, and food will be handed out every day through Friday, starting at 10:30 in the morning until supplies run out.